Hi guys. So, you want to say anything?
No.
So we're gonna taste test the exploding apples. They look good. Cole didn't want any cinnamon sticks, so he doesn't have any. I'm gonna try the cinnamon first. Sure you don't want any? I can give you one. You can take it. Okay. I don't think this works. I think it's just for more flavor.
Don't eat.
So I don't think we need to eat this. It's just for taste. So, you wanna eat? Oh, you have a spoon. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Eat from like the middle. I know. It's squishy. It feels like a peach. Is it whole?
I'm so sick.
It's very sour. Oh. It's really sour. So guys, we added ice cream. And it looks good. And the apple. Cool, what's your rating? Out of 10.
9.
No. 9.5 or 9.6. It's really good. Try it now.